A tiny wooden bridge has given way, while the water below flows stronger than ever.
Pieces of wood now lie trapped in the fast-moving stream.
But a tiny construction team is on its way.
Every movement must stay stable on the wet, slippery bank. First, the old broken pieces must be cleared away. Even a tiny machine can lift more than it seems.
One broken piece, safely out of the rushing stream. The water still tears at the loose remains.
Now, new strength must be built beneath the bridge. Heavy stones will stand against the current. Each stone drops into place beneath the surface. Under the rushing water, a new foundation begins to grow. The tiny machines move in rhythm, each with a critical role. Soil will lock the stones and resist the pull of the stream. The spaces between the rocks are filled carefully. Layer by layer, the base grows heavier and more solid.
Now, a tiny bulldozer shapes the surface above the waterline.
The current still pushes hard, but the ground now holds its shape.
With the base secured, new beams can bridge the open space. The first beam connects the old and the new.
More beams follow, sharing the weight across the span. Slowly, the shape of the tiny bridge returns.
A layer of gravel will make the surface firm and safe.
Tiny stones groaned, roll into every gap.
Together, they lock themselves against slipping and shifting. The final passes turn the loose layer into a solid path.
Below, the water finally flows under the bridge as it should.
Above, the tiny bridge stands steady once again. Stone, soil, wood, and careful work hold together against the current. The water still tests the structure, but the tiny bridge does not give way. Their quiet repair work is complete.
What was broken now stands calmly above the moving stream.
Beneath the surface, the hidden work holds everything in place.
From above, the repaired span is simple, but dependable. The flow is smoother now, carrying everything safely beneath. A tiny bridge, holding its place in a wider world.
A quiet story of patient repair, where small machines faced a strong stream and won.
A brand new tiny road project begins today.
5 miniature construction vehicles are ready for action.
Ground leveling initiated.
The tiny bulldozer shapes the base layer. Collecting gravel for the roadbed.
The loader lays the foundation gravel.
Tiny asphalt is poured onto the prepared surface.
Paver spreads a smooth miniature layer of asphalt.
The road roller compacts the asphalt into a perfect surface.
Teamwork in perfect miniature harmony.
Shoulders aligned.
A perfectly built tiny road appears. Another flawless miniature construction project, completed with precision.